These pineapples cost $20 a slice. Takes only 20 seconds to eat. Why are you paying a price so high? Because it's the price of perfection. How? Let's find out.
What is the price of perfection? What does it cost to grow something without the touch of human hands? They plant in perfect rows, these chrome gardeners. No sweat on their brow, no ache in their back. Only the certainty of angles, the mathematics of spacing. Drones hover like mechanical hummingbirds, releasing measured rain. Every droplet a prism, a small universe falling. 18 months from crown to crown. The fruit turns into bright yellow. The mechanical harvester twists once, cuts clean. The fruit never touches ground, metal to belt in a single breath. In the cathedral of processing, humidity hangs like incense. Light refracts into 1,000 small miracles. A single pineapple enters the peeling chamber. High-speed blades trace perfect spirals as the skin falls away. Symmetry, precision. Each slice is exactly half an inch, not a millimeter less. Juice explodes in slow motion, liquid light suspended, shattered gold mid-air. Trained packers arrange each ring, vacuumed in luxury, sealed and labeled. These are the most expensive pineapples in the world, measured by arithmetics perfected by steel. We gain in precision and hygiene. The balance is recorded only in the price, $20 a slice.
20 bucks for one slice of pineapple. Worth it? Watch this. Look at that glow. Straight, liquid gold. Juicy, sweet, ridiculous. Viral? Definitely. Sacred? Kind of feels like it. Your move.